Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you how to use few, little, a few, a little as a determiner. So let's start. First, we will try to understand that where we can use few. First, few is used for any plural noun. Plural that means bahuvachan. The next, few also is used for countable noun. Few is also used for negative expression, any negative expression. Suppose, example, few teachers teach well. That means it it's indicating to us that only few teachers teach well is a negative expression. So there we can use few. The next, a few. A few, as like few is used a negative expression, a few is used for positive expression. A few teachers, example, a few teachers teach well. This is the expression of a positive form. So a few is used for positive expression. Then come to little. Little, that means in Hindi बहुत कम. It is used with uncountable noun. That means जिसको हम count नहीं कर सकते. Like salt, sugar. Suppose if you want to make a mango shake, so salt will be used, and this salt will be used in a little manner or little quantity. So there will be used little. Little is also used for any negative expression. Suppose there is a little cheese in plate. That means उस प्लेट में चीज़ जो है वो बहुत कम है. It shows the negative expression. Then come to a little. A little is used for any positive expression. I am a little confused. This is the expression. Suppose your teacher solved any questions or any elaboration to you, but something you didn't understand. So there you can reply, I am a little confused. लेकिन मैं confused तो हूँ, लेकिन ये positive thing है. So these are the determinants. Let's have some examples. He has blanks money. So what should be used there? He has blanks money. First, he has blanks money. So what should be used there? Few, a few, little, a little. So few is used with negative, little is used with negative. So there we will use little. He has he has little money because it expresses the negative expression. Okay, go to the next example. I purchased blanks rice rice today. I purchased blanks rice today. So the answer will be I purchased a little, because already you have purchased a rice, but its quantity is too much less, but is a positive thing. So the answer will be a little. Next, she has blanks coins. So there will be use she has a few coins. I'm repeating it again. Few is used to express the plural noun, countable noun, and negative expression. A few is used for any positive expression. Little, little is used with uncountable noun, negative expression, and a little is used for positive expression. I hope you can understand. If I have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.